Chancellor to present the certificates to the judges. I would like to call upon Dr. Saikat Datta from NITK Surathkal to receive the honor. Conclusion session, that is rewarding the participants for their best presentations. I would like to request Dr. M.R. Madani, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry and Convener, ISSCM 2019, to read out the names of the winners.
Sure, but winning is solely is not the point. Wanting to win is a matters. Not giving up or never being satisfied with what you have done is much more important. With this note, I would like to request Professor B. Sherigara, former Vice Chancellor, Kuvempu University, the chief guest of today's program, to hand over the rewards to the winners of oral presentations. We have selected totally 3 best oral presentations, 1 from each day. Similarly, the 3 posters presenters, the best poster presentations, 1 from each day. The first of all, I'll call the oral presentations. On the first day, that is 17th October, the best oral presenter, Dr. Lewis S.A., Manipal College of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Mahe.
Thank you, sir, and congratulations to the winners. We feel privileged by the precious presence of eminent personalities on the days. May I now request the chief guest of today's program, Professor B.S. Sherigara, former Vice Chancellor, Kuvempu University, to address.
Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor P.S. Edapadittai, Professor B. Shivaram Holla, Professor A. M. Abdul Qadir, Professor S. L. Belagali, all the organizing members of this 3-day international conference, all the faculty members present here, invitees, Mrs. Edapaditaya. I recognize some of the professors and old colleagues present here, Professor Narayan and a professor from IIT who just gave a talk. Ladies and gentlemen, and particularly the students present here, I am extremely happy to participate in the concluding session of this 3-day international conference. I was told that this is the 4th international conference organized by the chemistry department. I am thankful to the organizing committee for inviting me and also felicitating all of us here. I am overwhelmed with the feelings, and I get a kind of a nostalgic feeling also, because I served here for 11 years in this campus. First I entered as a lecturer in chemistry department, and then got promoted as a reader. It was in 1983 to 1994. And this department is completing, university itself is completing 40 years in another 1 year. And two oldest members of the department I recognize is one Professor B. Holla, Shivaram Holla, and the first batch student is here, Dr. K. Venkatramana Udupa. Because incidentally, I was working in government college at that time, now the Constituent College of Mangalore University, and actually examination for the MSc batch was being conducted, and Professor Holla just asked me to help him, assist him in conducting the examination. Actually, I worked as a skilled assistant for Professor Dr. Udupa's batch. Okay. Actually, on seeing this list of teachers to be felicitated today, I informed Professor Nagaraj that a little bit of violation, protocol violation has taken place. Professor Shivaram's name should have come first, because I was his student. No, many of you may not be knowing. I did my MSc in 1976, completed my 76. By that time, he was a teacher. Okay? In the laboratory, when I was doing some experiments, actually, one day he scolded me also. I remember. So I said, his name should come first, and things like that. Anyway, it is very kind of you. He asked me to give the valedictory talk. And we have in this gathering two evergreen teachers. One is Professor Holla. He is 3 years younger to me. 73 running or 74? Yeah, 1 year younger to me. Okay. Few months younger to me, actually. Yes. Yes, yes. Yes. And another is Professor Abdul Qadir. Both of them are quite busy nowadays. They are teaching. I remember this year Nobel Prize in Chemistry goes to one that pioneers of lithium-ion battery. He is 97 years old. One of the oldest person to receive a Nobel Prize. And the other day I saw in his interview, he is still going to the lab and working. That is the spirit. Well, and I also felt happy that I am sharing the chair with Professor P. Subramanya Edapadithaya, our former colleague. And he took charge just 4 months ago. 4 months ago, I said. And the first teacher of this university to be appointed as a vice chancellor of the same university. It has an advantage because he will know the priorities ins and out of the university. An excellent teacher, researcher, I was told. An able administrator, very dynamic. And he should take this university to greater heights. He is very enthusiastic. He has ideas, vision. And I see this university has grown over the years. I left in '94. And I am not only myself, my family, because my 2 daughters were brought up in this atmosphere. We are the beneficiaries. I got my PhD from this department. Professor Thimmegowda was my guide. And remember those days, Professor M.R. Gajendragat was the professor, Professor Thimmegowda, Professor B. Shivaram Palla, myself, and Professor Kaluraya was there. Dr. Narayan. We were all together, S.L. Belagli, Khadir. And these people have contributed immensely to the growth of the department. I see that this is a NAC A-grade university with very good CGPA. And the national ranking, NIRF, is also quite good. And now state government is also giving some rating. Karnataka State Higher Education Council, that also rating is quite good. So that is indicative of overall development of the university in 40 years. So it is a really great accomplishments. One should be proud of. All the present students and the past students, they are proud of this university because of its achievements. But the only thing is, one should be very alert and you should have a team of people to work. Otherwise, I have been visiting now, even now I am going for a NAC accreditation process as an observer. I see how people work. There are several criteria or parameters to be fulfilled by the higher education institutions. So this university is going for NAC accreditation again, I think. So we say that it is now the education system is student-centric. It is all right. But as far as this criteria is concerned, it is mostly teacher-centric. Because teachers are behind that. How you got that huge grant from PERS, from the DST? It is based on the, as you said, the Scopus data that you should have institution should have a H index of more than 25 or so. And that itself speaks about the achievement and accomplishments of the university. So one should be proactive also. Now for the 2020 NIRF ranking, they are just collecting the materials right now, and you should have a team to feed the data to the required agencies. And I hope the university will get better ranking and it will go up the ladder in the coming years. And incidentally, this year is considered as International Year of this periodic table of elements. While we discuss the modern trends, the advances in chemistry or any other subject, we should consider the historic aspects, perspectives also. So one should consider the history of science, because the periodic table is considered as one of the greatest discoveries, and one should give tribute to the inventor, Dmitry Mendeleev. I think you had a program, one such program in this department. And another thing I just mentioned is about the very interesting development. That's the Nobel Prize is being given in chemistry for the discoverer of, inventor of the lithium-ion batteries. How the chemistry has contributed for the overall development of the society and things like that. So it is going to be a fossil fuel free society technology here afterwards. So all of us should be very happy about that. So there is a lot of scope for the young researchers. And I was told that this particular conference went on very well, as going by the report given by Professor Prasad just now. And I could see the schedule of events also. The plenary lectures, invited lectures, poster presentations went on very well as per the schedule. And I hope all of you have been just taking it very seriously, because participating in such seminars and workshops or whatever it may be, conferences, it should not be just for the sake of a ritual. You should take it seriously, learn something out of that, and try to adopt it in your work, in your future course. Hope you have enjoyed the 3-day stay here. I congratulate the department, the head of the department, the entire organizing committee, and all the teachers and the students who have worked very hard for making this 3-day conference a success. I wish you all the best, and thank you once again.
Thank you, sir, for your thought-provoking ideas and your inspirational words. We believe that talent wins games, but teamwork and intelligence wins championship. This wonderful 3-day international conference on Advances in Chemical and Material Sciences, ICCM 2019, would not have been knocked the door of great success without the teamwork of organizing committee, who worked in a fantastic way to make it possible. Hence, on this occasion, we take this privilege of honoring the committee members with mementos as a token of our love and respect. I would request our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor P.S. Edapadithaya, to do the honor. I request Professor B. Narayan, Department of Chemistry, and the convener ICCM 2019 to please come forward and receive the honor. May I now request Professor P.S. Edapaditaya, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Mangalore University, for his presidential address. Kindly, sir.
Respected chief guest of the valedictory program of this 3-day international conference on advances in chemical and material sciences, ICCM 2019, the former Vice Chancellor of Kuvempu University, and my well-wisher, Professor B.S. Sherigaraji, guest of honor, Professor B. Shivaram Holla, Professor A.M. Abdul Khader, Professor S.L. Belagali, Madam Sunita Belagali, First Lady of the campus, Dr. Anuradha, Professor B. Narayana, Professor Udupa, distinguished faculty members, learned delegates of this ICCM 2019, young student friends, friends from media, ladies and gentlemen. Normally it is said that, well begun is half done. The first day itself I realized that this program would go on very effectively and smoothly because we got a wonderful guest, Professor Sabu Thomas, the Honorable Vice Chancellor of Mahatma Gandhi University, Kottayam. It was a very good beginning, and all these sessions were conducted very meticulously and as per the schedule. Here the real credit goes, according to my intelligence, to Professor B. Vishalakshi Madam. Because she was very, very careful and cautious to see that every event takes place according to the scheduled time. It is not just planning, much more than planning, scheduling is important. So timeliness of conducting various events was wonderful. Then I was carefully listening to the feedback of the participants. Yes, they had all appreciations because they said, you have chosen a kind of interdisciplinary research area, materials and chemical sciences, a perfect blend. Then it was a wonderful platform for sharing our knowledge, because today knowledge sharing is very, very important, so that knowledge is light. Knowledge will become more powerful only when we share it with others. Therefore, it will challenge the traditional philosophy of knowledge hoarding. No more knowledge hoarding now. And people appreciated the energy of volunteers, because volunteers are the real backbone of any conference like this I have seen in the past. With their total commitment and dedication, they could make things happen. They could see the smiles on the face of the delegates and other dignitaries. Therefore, I had a lot of appreciation for these volunteers. And they also appreciated Tulunadu culture in your cultural program. It was done in a wonderful and unique manner, including all Kambala, Pilivesha, and every Korikatta, and everything. And somebody also pointed out, we wish that, you provided hard copies of our abstracts, because some soft copies. So it means, I understand, because some of us are digital aliens, while others are digital immigrants, and most of us are digital natives. But still, we would like to have the hard copy. Because even that is what I undergo today. I want to have a paperless office through perfect e-governance mode. But some of our employees, they are feeling excessive, possessive about what they call files, note sheets, everything. So this kind of emotional attachment will be there. But anyway, in future we can also provide both hard and soft copies of your abstracts. And a Nigerian friend of mine, he had all the appreciation for the conference, the way in which you have conducted, and he said it is worth remembering, and he will carry all sweet memories of this conference. That is what he said. That way, this program, this 3-day conference was well organized. And Professor Jagdish Prasad gave a brief report of all these things, 200 delegates, and the many experts insisted on collaborative research, because today the main dictum is collaborate to compete. No cutthroat competition, no predatory competition, but collaborate to compete. Even the research field is no exception to this. So collaborative research. And some of the stalls, they are really educative, informative, and highly engaging in nature. Not only Kaiga, but even other stalls were also very, very useful. Therefore, both oral and poster presentations made this 3-day international conference a memorable one. Then, of course, the felicitating our own teachers who built not only the chemistry department, but the entire university during the last 40 years. They were real pillars, because I have seen right from student days how Professor Shivaram Holla struggled a lot, and his typical personality, it means highly unassuming. Whatever you think, it is up to you. But I am a teacher, I am a learner, I am a student. There is no retirement for learning. That is what he was telling during those days. And he was the real inspirer for persons like me. Even I know I was in the commerce field, but still the modesty, that kind of humility of Shivaram Holla, the kind of unforgettable experience for all of us, even today. That is what in his reply to our felicitation he said, remember two important things. One is determination to excel. If you are determined to excel, nobody can stop you. You are the hero, you are the king. So that is how even today he is inspiring the young hearts and minds in SGM College Ujire. The other day I was the guest for graduation ceremony, and everybody, including Dr. Virendra Hegade, everybody has got, a lot of appreciation for Holla's commitment and dedication to this teaching profession. That's what he said, determination, worth emulating. The second one is, he said, don't worry, world is yours. If you understand it and if you accept this, then nobody can stop you. You can simply move ahead. That is what Shivaram Holla said. Then Professor A.M. Abdul Qadir, yes, because I am always appreciative of his sense of wit and humor. He will not smile, he will not decorate his face with smile, but he will see that he will find smiles on other faces. through his impeccable quality, of that kind of wit and humor. And such a wonderful human being I have ever come across, that Abdul Qadir. And his daughter and my daughter in Vishwamangala school, whenever I used to go and pick her up, of course his wife was to be there, otherwise Professor M. Qadir. So it means a kind of, nostalgic past, the memories. Same old Professor Abdul Qadir, even today, same old attitude, same old humility, same old warmth and hospitality in him. That is what I always find real teacher in M. Qadir. That is what Abdul Qadir, that's what he says, remembering me and calling me and felicitating me. It spreads a kind of feel-good factor in the hearts and minds of everybody, not only the administrators, but everybody on the campus. That is what his humility says, remembering me. And he says, even today, I would like to teach. That kind of passion for teaching, that makes you young, that's what he say. You can feel young. 18-year-old young, maybe 67 years, but 18 years. So that is what I say, Abdul Qadir. Then, of course, Professor S.L. Belagali, because I became a regular teacher in 1986 along with him. I could not become a regular teacher in 83 because I joined the department in 82 itself, November, but on a temporary basis, 83, even I fell short of that formula, important golden formula of 2 years. So my teacher became, Professor Yashwant Dongre could take the chance, so I could not, because that kind of formula. So Professor B. Sheikh Ali told me, I remember still today, you are a wonderful human publications. My dear young man, you have to come out with publications. See, this I remember even today, my Professor B. Sheikh Ali. That's a real inspiration for me. Calling back and felicitating. Probably this Vice Chancellor must have started this practice. No, I created a kind of ambience or atmosphere with which they felt that, no, back to roots. We should remember our own history. I told in several functions, never forget your own history. Itihasavannu ನಾವು ಮರಿಬಾರದು. ನಮಗೆ ಯಾರು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಆ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ದೇವರ ಸಾನ್ನಿಧ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಲಿ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಅಂತ. ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಂಗಳೂರು ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ ಲೆಗೆಸಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ನಾನು. ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮನಗಂಡು ಈ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಬಿ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಅಂತವರು, ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಬಾಲಕೃಷ್ಣ ಕಲ್ಲೂರಾಯ ಅಂತವರು, ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದರು, ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ನಾಗರಾಜಿಗೆ, ಜಿ ಕೆ ನಾಗರಾಜ್ ಹೇಳಿದರು, ನೋಡಿ ಇದೊಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಗೋಲ್ಡನ್ ಅಪಾರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ, ನೆನಪು ಮಾಡಿ ಕರೆಯುವ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅದಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ, ಆಗೇನಾಗತ್ತೆ, ರಿಯಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಎಸ್ ಎಲ್ ಬೆಳಗಲಿ ವಿತ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಹಂಬಲ್ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಈ ಸೆಡ್, ಐ ರಿಯಲಿ ಲರ್ನ್ಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ. ನಾನು ಉತ್ತರ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದವ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಾಗ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್, ಮಕ್ಕಳೆದುರಿಗೆ ನಿಲ್ಲುವಾಗ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನಿಲ್ಲಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪುಷ್ ಇಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬಟ್ ದ ಪುಲ್ ಇಫೆಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಅನ್ಲೆಸ್ ಯು ಕಮ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ಡ್, ಯು ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಪಾರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ವಾಸ್ ಗಿವನ್. ಅದನ್ನು ಅವರು ಎಕ್ನಾಲೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಈ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್, ಪ್ರೈಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್, ವಿತ್ ದ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಗ್ರಾಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್. ಈ ಸೆಡ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಆದದ್ದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ವೆನ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಟು ಟೀಚ್ NMR ಇನ್ ದ ಆಬ್ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಶಿವರಾಮ್ ಹೊಳ್ಳ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ that will create such kinds of opportunities which will make you a lot of, proud about yourself, and you can take a lot of pride in what have you done, what have you achieved here. ಅದನ್ನು ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಎಸ್ ಎಲ್ ಬೆಳಗಲಿ ಭಾಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ವ್ಯಾಲಿಡಿಟರಿ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಬಿ ಎಸ್ ಶೆರಿಗಾರ್, he recalled and he said, this is probably the 4th international conference organized by the same department, chemistry department. Why? Because the strong edifice is laid by all these pillars here. Therefore, 1% inspiration, Thomas Alva Edison said. Somebody asked him, what's the secret of your success? Thomas Alva Edison said, 1% inspiration, but 99% perspiration. Because all of you must have given a lot of inspiration for these people, the present and others, the professors, and they have given the leadership and they have done it. whatever they do it with lot of grace and lot of content. That is the style. That is what he said. And he also recalled and he said, Professor Shivaram Holla is there, a senior most man here. Same time, the first batch student, Dr. Venkatramana Udupa is sitting here. A kind of, ಈ ಕೊಂಡಿಗಳು, see, connecting, the connectables, that makes lot of sense here. ಅದನ್ನು ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದರು. And that shows that once you are a teacher, you are always a teacher. Professor M.A. Kadar ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಅದನ್ನೇ ಶೇರೆಗಾರ್ exhibited and elaborated it, because we could see the real teacher in Professor Sheregar also. And he managed as the Vice Chancellor of Kuvempu University with lot of grace, because he managed it from his heart. Because during his tenure as Vice Chancellor, I visited several times, and still I remember he invited me for his breakfast. ಅವರ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ನೀರು ದೋಸೆ ತಿಂದದ್ದು, ಆ ಗ್ರೇಸ್ಫುಲ್ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ರಿಸೆಪ್ಷನ್, unforgettable. At that time I thought, if I become Vice Chancellor, I should celebrate this kind of humility of Professor B.S. Sheregar. ಸೊ ಅಂಥ ಒಂದು ಇದು ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಸಮ್ಮಿಲನ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇವತ್ತು, ಎ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ವಿದೌಟ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟೈಮ್, I congratulate the organizing committee of this 3-day international conference on advances in chemical and material science, ICCM 2019, headed by Professor G.K. Nagaraja and his team. So Mangalore University will place on record your dedication and commitment to make this conference a truly meaningful one and truly international one. I congratulate the entire Department of Studies in Chemistry and this team. And I also express my sincere, heartfelt gratitude to everybody who could contribute their might to make this conference a memorable event for all the delegates and the resource persons and for everybody, including the media. Therefore, on behalf of Mangalore University and my own behalf, I profusely thank everybody to make this 3-day international conference a memorable one. Thank you, everyone. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.
Inspirational and enthusiastic words. It's indeed a pleasure to hear from you, sir. Gratitude is not only the greatest of virtues, but the parent of all others. May I now request Professor G.K. Nagaraj, Chairman ICCM 2019 and Chairman Department of Chemistry, Mangalore University, to propose the vote of thanks.
Good evening, Honorable President of Validatory Program and Vice Chancellor of Mangalore University, Professor P.S. Edepadetaya, esteemed Chief Guest and former VC of Kuvempu University and my own teacher, Professor B.S. Sheregara, Professor Shivaram Holla, Professor A.M.A. Kadar, Professor S.L. Belagali, former Registrar of Rani Chennamma University, Professor Boja Pujari, Organizing Secretary of ICCM 2019, Professor Jagdish Prasad, Treasurer of ICCM 2019, Deans of Faculties of Science and Technology, Arts, Commerce, Education, Chairpersons of various PG departments, officials of university, teaching and non-teaching staff, members, research scholars, students, friends from media, invitees, ladies and gentlemen. I had a mixed feeling at this point of time, and I wish to state that I am waiting for this a time since from last 8 months. At the end, the day came where we successfully completed this event. And it is my pleasure to host this 3 days international conference, ICCM 2019 Mangalore. I hope the deliberations of the conference during the last 3 days were fruitful, and the delegates and the students have greatly benefited from the scientific interactions. This is happened possible due to the help we received from many. It's my pleasure duty to end this mega event with a vote of thanks. First and foremost, I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor P.S. Edipaditaya, for his valuable guidance, support, and inspiring mentorship. Thank you very much, sir. I thank Professor B.A. Sheregara, former Vice Chancellor of Kuampu University, who came here as a chief guest with my phone call, and at this age, he traveled from Udupi and he is gracing this occasion. I am very much thankful to you, sir. I am also thankful to Professor B.S. Valla, sir. When morning I called him, he told that I will come by government city bus. I told, sir, no, we will send an university vehicle. He told that no, I am already in the bus, and he traveled in a local city bus to this function, and I received him in the roadside, and I brought him to the this auditorium. This is how the teacher should be. Sir, I am very much thankful to you, sir. And also I am thankful to Professor A.M.A. Khader, and he is supposed to be, he was in Bangalore yesterday, and when we requested, he was in US, and over the phone and WhatsApp, we chatted each other, and he had readily agreed. And to attend this function, he came from Bangalore, taking the flight, and he came exactly at the right point of time to this Bangalore University to receive the felicitation. And we are really very much thankful to you, sir, for your gracious presence. And I am also thankful to Professor B.S. Belagali. When I contacted him and we discussed something about the department, and he told that definitely I will come along with family. That is what he told. And lastly, he come with family, and we had a very great time and interaction with Professor S.M. Belagali. And I was also in Mysore University when Professor Belagali was a professor in the Department of Environmental Science. I was in the Department of Polymer Science. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your presence. As I told, I have a mixed feeling. One of my professor, Professor Maskell, from US, he is supposed to come this conference as a keynote speaker. He booked the tickets with his own pocket money, and last year also he visited Mangalore under the GAN program to NIT Surathkal, and he got the visa within 3 days. But with that experience, I think he applied the visa maybe little late, but his visa was rejected twice. And it was very a bad thing on us also, because we are not able to provide the 2 documents which is needed to get a visa. That time Professor Narayan sir and myself went to the Vice Chancellor, sir, please help us, because his visa was cancelled before 4 hours of departure. And we struggled a lot to get the visa, but anyhow, there is a rule, but the fault is from our side that we are not able to produce those 2 documents to Professor Mark Maskell. And I was very depressed in those 2 days when his visa was rejected 2 times. And lastly, anyhow, the rest of the things has to be go as according to the plan. That's why I forgot that event, and we carry forward the whole the event on the behalf of Mangalore University and on my own behalf. I extend my sincere thanks to Professor Mark Maskell, University of California, Davis. We have been fortunate to have this and many eminent personalities from academia, industry, as speakers and participants of ICCM 2019. I thank all plenary speakers, invited speakers, session chairs, judges of oral and poster competitions for their valuable contributions during the conference. The participants were very enthusiastic and cordial. I thank all of them for active participation. We have been very fortunate to receive a generous financial support, without which it would not have been possible to organize this conference. Our sponsors are DST Serb, New Delhi, Origin, Bangalore, Syngenta, Goa, Semilabs, Bangalore, Syngin, Bangalore, Rallis, Bangalore, Chandak Laboratories, Sikandarabad, Harms Laboratories, Bangalore, BSF, Mangalore, Dofadel, Mangalore, MRPL, Mangalore, ABS, Electroplates, Goa, Kaiga, Karwar, MCF, Mangalore, KIOCL, Mangalore, Sonia Industries, Bangalore, Solara, Mangalore, Srinidhi Industries, Mysore, Product Promoters, Mysore, Chemixol, Mysore, Durga Laboratories, Mangalore. I am very much thankful to Dr. K.V. Udupa, ArcGen, Bangalore, for helping me to generate the fund and by his contacting his own friends in various industries. I thank the heartfelt thanks to Kaiga, Richmond Scientific, and Equiptronics for putting up the stalls in ICCM 2019. I thank the members of advisory committee for their valuable guidance, suggestions for organizing this conference. I thank chairpersons of various departments, officials of the university, teaching and non-teaching staff, members for their gracious presence. I thank the administration for the auditorium and all possible logistics towards the organizing this event. I thank our friends from media and for a wide coverage of ICCM 2019. I thank the Professor Shekhar, Department of Computer Science, Mr. Ratnakar, Madhvaraj, research scholars from Computer Science, and Saban from Administration for maintaining the website of ICCM 2019 from last 8 months. I profusely thank Janata Deluxe for providing delicious food during the last 3 days. The tireless efforts of organizing committee members, guest faculty members, non-teaching staff members, research scholars, and the students of the Department of Chemistry has made this conference a successful event. I am thank all of them profusely. I thank Professor B. Narayana, being a senior professor in the Department of Chemistry. He traveled with us in auto, in city buses. He traveled along with us in the footpath of the streets, and he was also standing in the gates of many of the industries where we go there to collect the financial assistance. He was running around us like a young man, And wherever we go for fund collection, he was always with us. And he was a guiding spirit for me to conduct this international conference. Dear sir, I am very thankful to you for your leadership in the department. I am very thankful. And as far Madam is concerned, whenever I find difficulty in the paperwork, I used to give for correction to Vishalakshi Madam. And within one night, he used to correct the things and get it back to me. And he conducted all the proceedings single-handedly for all the 3 days. That is what our Honorable Vice Chancellor told. I am very much thankful to Professor B. Vishalakshi for this great work. And I am also thankful to the organizing secretary of ICCM 2019, Professor Bojo Pujari. He is known for his dedication. Whenever he is out of my office, I was struggling a bit. And I used to call him over the phone. He ought to be with me. And he was with me all the ICCM 2019, the whole process. I am also thankful to Professor Jagdish Prasad. He is the treasurer of ICCM 2019, and he is maintaining all the financial aspect of that. I am totally tension-free from that aspect, and he is quite active in the ICCM 2019. I am thankful to Professor Jagdish Prasad. I am also thankful to my junior and a young boy, M.R. Madani. I don't want to use the word like the clerk, but he was working as a clerk next to me in all the days of this conference, and he helped me like anything. I am very much grateful to Professor Madani for his work towards this ICCM 2019. I thank our research scholars of the department, Lavina and Shabina, for MC of this inaugural and the validatory program. I thank Mr. Chandrasekhar, photographer of university photographer, for recording this event of the conference. I thank our university drivers, Lokesh and Vaman Rao, for day and night duty to bring the delegates from the airport, bus stand, railway station to this conference. I am very much thankful to those two guys. On the whole, I am very much thankful to my research scholars team. They are worked as volunteers. Sometimes I am very hard on them, sometimes I was so smooth on them, but they are worked like anything. I am very much grateful to our old research scholars. And I am also thankful to my research, my MSc students. And they had helped me to a lot, and they have come up with a very good cultural event. And just with one word, they have organized themselves. They brought their belongings, that is dress materials from the city. Yesterday it was a heavy rain was there, and I am very much thankful to my students, MSc students. I think on the whole, we had made a sincere efforts to maintain the quality of the conference. I hope everyone of us had a fruitful and a memorable time during the ICCM 2019. If any lapses are there, please blame me, not my team. And let us hope we will meet again in 2020. And I am thankful to all of you, those who are helped to conduct this conference directly or indirectly. Thank you one and all.
A grand success. I would request the participants to remain in the same venue for the group photography after the national anthem. So it's the proud privilege of Mangalore University to host ICCM 2019 and empower young delegates to pool their innovative ideas. I hope you have savored each moment of deliberations to the fullest. Wishing to meet you all soon with renewed vigor and interest. With this, we conclude ICCM 2019. Thank you one and all. Now, let us all rise for the national anthem.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल वंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभाशिष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 जय